Hey guys, welcome back. So I know a lot of you really liked my washing machine cleaning routine. So I'm gonna show you how I clean my dishwasher when it starts to get really nasty and there's funky odors. You know, sometimes you pull it open and you're like, what is that? This is 3 steps. It's so easy. Let's get started. So the 2 products you're gonna use are vinegar and baking soda. So we're gonna start first by removing the filter down at the bottom. So depending on the type of dishwasher you have, you can look at the manual. For mine, there's just like the spin bar at the bottom and then the filter piece, and it's really easy for me to unscrew. Something else I want to show you on this dishwasher, which I didn't realize until recently, is you can actually lower the top shelf. I don't know if that's just a me thing, but that was like a game changer for getting everything to fit. Anyway, so what I do is I just spin the filter and unlock it so that it comes out, and it's really easy to remove. That whole bottom piece comes out, and then I just go ahead and put it right into the sink. If you don't keep this thing clean, your dishwasher is going to stink. It's going to harbor bacteria. The wash cycle isn't going to work as well, so you want to make sure that you're cleaning this every like 3 to 6 months. So to clean it, I just use the Dawn Power Wash. Love this stuff. It works amazing. Just spray it on there. I let it soak in for like a couple of minutes, and then I'll come back and rinse it with some hot water. Then I do it again, spray some more on there, and then I like to take a little scrub brush, like a bottle cleaning brush, to get in there and remove all the gunk in the filter. And then also, if you have like a little old toothbrush, or just like I grab the ones from Target that are like $1, and they're perfect for cleaning, I just give it a really good scrub and I'm able to loosen all the gunk. So I just give it a really good rinse with some hot water, make sure it's nice and clean, and then just go ahead and put it back in your dishwasher. I have an LG, so you just slide it in, push it down, and then you just turn it and it locks into place. It's really, really easy. Moving on now to the second step, you're going to take some white distilled vinegar. Now fill a cup of the vinegar and you're going to leave it in the top rack of your dishwasher. I run it on a hot cycle. If you have a machine clean, you can do it with that. You could also pour a couple cups into the bottom of your dishwasher. So this is going to help with any discoloration. It's going to help kill bacteria and mold, causing those funky odors. So setting my dishwasher here to run, it should only take a couple of hours. And then once I'm done with this step, we're going to move on to step 3. So for step number 3, you're going to take 1 cup of baking soda, and you're just going to go ahead and sprinkle that into the bottom of your dishwasher. Baking soda is great for neutralizing any nasty odors, and it kind of just picks up where the vinegar left off. So anything that the vinegar didn't take care of as far as odors go, the baking soda is going to do the trick. Plus, the abrasiveness in the baking soda will help take care of any stains. So I just go ahead and set it to a normal setting for a couple of hours. And then once it's done, your dishwasher is sparkling, it smells great, and it's clean, and it works really, really great. So the last thing I do is I swear by these Wyman stainless steel wipes. They work amazing. Your dishwasher will be so clean. Any stainless steel appliances you have, it just keeps them polished and super nice and clean. So that's it, just 3 steps, super easy. They also sell, I think it's by the brand Affresh, I could be wrong, and it's just like a packet you put in there and then you put it in and it's done. I like the vinegar and baking soda personally. I just think that it works really well, and it's something I always have on hand in the house, and it's pretty much all natural, so you can't beat that. I'm gonna go ahead and link up above to my cleaning playlist if you need some more inspiration, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.